So you want to know about coating for your BMW or Mini? Well, you came to the right place. Perhaps you need to unlock Apple CarPlay, or you need remote coating for your battery. Or perhaps you just want to unlock the sportier side of your ride. Well, BimmerTech is here for you. So what is BMW coating? Well, your vehicle is full of features that could either be activated or deactivated. So simply put, it's telling your BMW or Mini via a coating cable or USB flash drive which parameters to change in your vehicle. There are over 40 coating options available for your BMW or Mini. Enter your VIN here to see what's available for your vehicle. But here are some popular options that you can expect. Keep in mind, this may differ depending on the year and model of your ride. If your passengers want to enjoy watching videos while your car is moving, unlocking Video Services in Motion will allow just that. If you want to stream music from your phone, pair multiple devices, and more, unlocking Enhanced Bluetooth will get the job done. Did you know you can get even more performance power from your stock BMW? Unlocking Sports Plus mode will give you the best performance from your car without having to leave home. If you have error messages that keep popping up, our error diagnostic services can tell you what they are, remove them, and more depending on the error. Did you know when you install a new battery in your BMW or Mini, you have to register it? If not, your car will overwork your battery, which can cause premature failure of the battery or cause modules in the car to malfunction. The roads are changing all of the time, and outdated maps are not fun. With our map updates, never get lost again on your next trip. Certain BMWs may have Apple CarPlay services ready, but BMW hides them from you. BimmerTech's Apple CarPlay activation can change that with a simple coding service, allowing you to take full advantage of all the features CarPlay has to offer. And depending on your iDrive version, we can even unlock full screen mode as well. Want to enjoy BMW Sirius XM in your ride but didn't get it unlocked from the factory? BimmerTech can code it in for you to bring over 175 BMW satellite radios to your car. We make coding easier than ever. Depending on the options you choose and the vehicle you have, coding will be achieved with either a USB flash drive or a coding cable. For USB coding options, you'll be emailed a file that you'll copy onto your USB flash drive, and then you simply plug that into your BMW or Mini, and your car will take care of the rest. For cable coding options, once you select the option you want and add a coding cable if you don't have one already, you'll book a time with one of our remote coding specialists. From there, you'll be emailed a link with some instructions about how to get set up for the scheduled time, and our specialist will take care of the rest. We could go on and on about how great our services are, but we have tons of happy customers who will say the same. All different vehicles, all different options, all the same satisfied results. Your BMW or Mini is great, but with one of these, BimmerTech can make it even better. Check out the coding options on this page to find the ones best for you and your ride.